had a good day?
I have.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Me too.
Good.
Have you married the man in your dreams?
Obviously.
Well, I've married the woman in my dreams, so that makes two of us, doesn't it?
That's good.
You're absolutely so pants are so cute. No, the videographer.
I remember having a drink with James a few weeks later and telling him that he would be best man at my wedding to Hannah. See, James, I told you I would make this happen, and I told you it wasn't the Avon speaking. Now, fast forward to October that year, and for my birthday, I asked Hannah to be my girlfriend, which thankfully she said yes. We celebrated the only way we knew how, with a Chinese takeaway.
It's a packer man. So now you can stop asking Mum where your socks are when you have yourself. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to cry.
One of those kisses, I don't want to mess up your make. Something to say thank you. You know. Oh, I like that. All of it.
Hello, Michael.
Oh, thank you very much. What's in here?
You are my love, my best friend, and my soulmate, and I get the privilege of loving you for the rest of my life. In you, I have found my safest place and my greatest adventure. Over the last few years, we have created such a beautiful life, and our family mean the absolute world to me. I'm so excited to see what our next chapter has in store for us. I want you to know that you make me the happiest that I have ever been, and I wouldn't want to embark on this journey with anyone else by my side. You show me love in a way I never thought was possible. Yours forever, Han.
Congratulations, mate. Cheers, mate. I'm not crying, it's just dusty.
It's
dust,
the
dust.
wind, mate. It's the wind.
Dust,
Yeah.
dusty. Oh, that's nice. Lovely, look at these socks.
Proper socks.
Oh, some nice boxes as well.
Oh, just in case.
Yeah. Get that on video, he's knocking me out. Because you are on the last program.
We can't watch that. Not with these people here.
I couldn't find anybody else who knew me, so I thought. It feels like only yesterday she was a little girl, full of dreams and boundless energy. Watching her grow into the incredible woman she is today has been one of the greatest joys of my life. I'm supposed to tell you a few embarrassing stories about Hannah. I know you've got a ferry to catch tomorrow morning. So I'll try and keep it short. As you know, she's an only child. She's the only grandchild on both sides, and she's the only niece on both sides. I think I've got a bit of a reason for this. One of my mum's dear friends, when Hannah was about 3 or 4, she said to Hannah, "Would you like a brother or a sister?" To which Hannah replied, "I'd rather have a biscuit." And that's probably why she's the only child. We just gave her the biscuit.
Your mum is so excited.
Oh, no, I like that. Yes, don't cry. You know, Hannah. Are you happy? Yes. Yeah?
Wow. That's lovely. The did. And when I walked in that room and saw you in that dress, hon, I didn't know what to say.
Here we are in the Abbey for the wedding. It's currently, 14 minutes to 3. So 14 minutes to 8, hopefully just 14 minutes to 8. And I'm about to get married. So as you can imagine, naturally I'm excited and I'm also a little bit scared. A little bit emotional, but yeah, can't wait.
And seeing Hannah walk down the aisle, it was lovely and emotional. I did have a small tear in the corner of my eye, but I'm not going to admit to that.
My darling Hannah, seeing you today takes my breath away. You are more beautiful than I ever imagined.
Michael, first of all, wow. How lucky am I? You look absolutely gorgeous.
I am beyond grateful and incredibly lucky to spend my life with you.
Standing here today as your bride, I vow to be the best wife to you.
I promise that I will always be by your side, always be in your corner to take on the world with you. I promise I will never hurt and I will never stop loving you. And I love you so much. I choose you. I will always choose you.
I vow to love you every single day of my life. When you need a friend, I will be your best friend. When you need help, I will be there for you. When you need care, I will support you. And when you do the same for me, I will appreciate you. I will love you forever.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my unbroken love for you today, tomorrow, and always.
I give this ring as a symbol of my unbroken love for you today, tomorrow, and always.
The quake is presented filled with whiskey, representing the bitterness and the sweetness encountered in life and marriage.
That's strong.
And it is now my greatest honour and privilege to pronounce you husband and wife.
Hello, you two. Thank you so much for the invitation. It's been absolutely magical.
The challenges to get here were thoroughly worth it. I think we'd agree with you.
Absolutely.
Hi Hannah, Mike, it's Steve and Ella from Australia. Absolutely amazing day.
And you both look gorgeous and so in love.
Yeah.
Just to wish you both a really, really, really happy future together.
And I hope you'll have many, many happy years together.
But all the best to both. And we've had a beautiful day. Couldn't have had a better day. It's been really fabulous.
Marriage is a partnership where love, trust and respect are the foundation. Nurture these values as you build your life together and let your love grow stronger with each passing day. Always support each other, cherish those little moments and never stop being each other's biggest cheerleaders. We wish you a lifetime of love, laughter and endless happiness.
A lifetime of happiness, love, hopes and dreams.
And just remember, friends don't need to be in each other's pockets, but I'm always there for you whenever you need. I love you, mate. Take care.
Congratulations.
Hi Auntie Hannah, hi Uncle Mike. I love you both. Hope you had a great time.
Best memory of the day is seeing you in your dress, Hannah. You looked amazing.
Fantastic.
And Mike in your kilt.
I can't believe you actually made me cry in the church. That's the first time I've ever cried at a wedding, so thank you for that.
I like the way the veil blew over you and covered the bridesmaid and Jamie.
This is a wedding we'll remember. It's amazing. Thank you.
Take care. All the love.
Love you all.
So it's 2010 on Saturday, the 17th of August 2024, and we've done it. We got married, so it's official. And it's been a really, really good day. So Hannah, thank you for marrying me. you know, I wanted to do it ever since I first met you, so it's like a dream come true, really. Thank you very much, and here's to the rest of our life, because we've got a lot to look forward to.